Thanks for looking. Welcome to here. Today I will talk about typhoid. Typhoid fever is an acute systemic disease caused by Salmonella typhi bacteria. Symptoms: the patient feels tired and weak, headache, backache. The tongue becomes dry, the temperature rises and remains high for about 10 days to 2 weeks. The fever gradually comes down to normal by the end of the 4th week. If you have these symptoms, please go to the nearest hospital because sometimes pneumonia can occur if you do not take typhoid medication. Causes: poor sanitation, contaminated water, unboiled milk, etc. So, good hygiene is needed. The patient needs a complete bed rest and should be given liquids such as milk, barley, fruit juices. Orange juice will be especially beneficial. Take it easy, live a happy and healthy lifestyle. Advance Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you.